Welcome to this video overview on how the ProLinkHFA software suite can support your HFA's multifamily compliance process. The ProLinkHFA software suite is a web-based software package that simplifies the complexities in providing affordable housing to qualified tenants. The software captures all your federal and state compliance activities for loans, tax credits, set-asides, bonds, and other HFA funding sources in a single database. The ProLinkHFA software suite is comprised of 3 HFA-specific modules: ProQuorum, SmartDocs, and ProLinkHFA. These modules are fully integrated and can be configured to meet your specific agency requirements. Today we're going to focus on how the ProLinkHFA software suite supports HFA multifamily compliance by seamlessly importing deal-specific data from the tax credit and HFA lending teams, supports building and unit-level data management, allows property managers to electronically submit unit, building, and tenant-level compliance requirements, as well as manages compliance reviews, audits, and inspections. Now let's explore how the ProLinkHFA software suite automates knowledge transfer from the tax credit and loan origination groups. Delivered as a single database of record, ProLinkHFA tracks property, building, and unit-level data entered by the tax credit and origination teams to simplify the handoff to compliance and asset management. An important first step for the HFA compliance team is to review and confirm that all property, building, and unit mix information is up to date. From within ProLinkHFA, the Edit Property screen provides the ability to review and edit core property data such as name, address, tax credits, total units, developer type, and much more in an easy-to-use interface. The related tabs provide insight into population data, federal, state, and local enhancements, legal data, property name history, utility allowances, and any associated project files. On the Buildings screen, HFA staff can quickly see all property buildings, VIN numbers, location, and status. By selecting an individual building, compliance officers can review specific building detail, adjust structure and utility information, add utility allowances specific to that building, view 8609 and 8823 information, as well as enter gross rent floor data for LIHTC properties. The unit screen captures the unit-by-unit detail, which is typically determined by the compliance officer during year 1 of property compliance. From here you can quickly see key information about the unit, such as any applicable unit compliance programs, number of bedrooms and square feet, any unit-specific utility and amenity detail, and all tenant events that take place over the life of the unit. Now let's discuss how ProLinkHFA supports a wide variety of compliance programs. With the ProLinkHFA software suite, HFAs can manage a variety of different compliance programs such as LIHTC and Home. Additionally, configurable compliance requirements can be set up in ProLinkHFA to track HFA-specific compliance programs. With the majority of affordable housing properties requiring multiple funding sources, ProLinkHFA supports these programs from a common location. Within this particular property, you can see that ProLinkHFA is maintaining compliance requirements for tax credits, home funding, and additional set-asides. As I click into the additional set-aside option, you can view and edit configurable income and rent limit requirements by unit type and AMI thresholds. By supporting unlimited configurable compliance types within ProLinkHFA, you can be sure that no matter how complex your funding or compliance requirements, all the details can be tracked and maintained in the ProLinkHFA system. Once your deal is set up with the correct compliance requirements, the ProLinkHFA software suite supports the ability for property managers and owners to submit compliance data directly through our secure electronic portal ProQuorum. As part of the ProLinkHFA software suite, ProQuorum is in use by a number of housing finance agencies and often serves as a tool to accept tax credit and funding applications, supports the submission of financial and operating statements from property owners, and provides a secure way to upload critical compliance data. As a cloud-hosted technology solution available on mobile devices such as phones and tablets, ProQuorum provides an easy way for property managers and owners to comply with HFA-sponsored programs. Within ProQuorum, work centers provide a secure collaboration space for developers, property owners, HFA staff, and any other project stakeholders. Once in the work center, you can quickly see who has access to property information and what their role is on the project. The left-hand navigation menu guides you through the different areas of the Work Center. Files, Posts, Tasks, Project Calendar, Deal Activity, Settings, and any HFA-specific apps are available here. In the same Work Center that developers and property owners are using to submit tax credit and funding applications, ProLink HFA provides a compliance app for the submission of HFA program compliance requirements. In this case, acting as a property owner or manager, I am going to access the compliance app to update state agency compliance requirements for this property. As I first head into the compliance application, I'm greeted by the different compliance periods. From here, you can immediately see the status of the compliance period, as well as export all data into Excel for rent roll reporting purposes. Once I select the current compliance period, I'm able to quickly see all buildings and units applicable for compliance. Upon selecting a particular unit, I'm able to review, update, and add tenant events for that unit. Recertification, move-in, move-outs, and rent updates are a few of the options that can be managed here. As I scroll down, I can see which programs this unit complies with, as well as a list of the household members and income levels. The ProQuorum Compliance app provides property owners and managers the option to manually enter and review compliance information, or users can import XML outputs from systems like Yardi or RealPage to streamline the process of getting compliance data into the system. Once data is imported, property owners and managers can validate the tenant events to ensure all agency data requirements have been met. Any missing requirements will be highlighted in the results, and users can quickly navigate to the correct spot to fix the errors. All of this information is immediately transferred to the ProLink HFA Compliance module for review by HFA staff. Now let's move on to compliance reviews from within the ProLink HFA Compliance module. Once the compliance data is submitted by the property managers and owners, HFA staff can configure email notifications to alert them of recent activity on a particular project. By selecting the correct compliance period in ProLink HFA, all unit and tenant information, as well as any missing requirements, are immediately available for review. Notice that the missing requirements in this compliance period match the validation errors provided to the property managers when uploading compliance data into the ProQuorum Compliance app. Once all unit and tenant requirements are accounted for, the Evaluate button at the top of the screen will fully evaluate the property on all regulatory compliance requirements. As I navigate through the tabs on the top, I can quickly access owner certifications, as well as review home, LIHTC, and additional set-aside detail. The LIHTC tab provides tenant event data and related income detail, options to enforce the 45-day rule, applicable fraction and set-aside status, as well as any compliance exceptions. ProLink HFA provides the option to override compliance exceptions due to any special circumstances the compliance manager may be aware of. Selecting Override will prompt a comment to be placed on the record to ensure tracking of why a compliance exception was overridden. Now let's discuss how ProLink HFA manages compliance audits and inspections. Compliance audits, commonly known as file reviews, are fully recorded and tracked with ProLink HFA. LIHTC and lender file audits are recorded out of the box, and agency staff can configure the Other File Audit section to include any type of file reviews performed by the agency. Property managers can again submit all required file audit documents electronically through ProQuorum. This saves HFAs time and money by providing agency staff the ability to perform file audits across multiple properties right from their desk. ProLink HFA supports the tracking of a wide range of inspections such as MORE, REAC, lender, and tax credit inspections. Inspection results can be recorded directly in the field and quickly uploaded to ProLink HFA upon inspection completion. This process improves accuracy and eliminates unnecessary rekeying of inspection information. Once in an inspection record, you can see the inspection type, status, date scheduled, and date inspection performed. The Results tab displays inspection results and comments, while follow-up notes, activity, and associated properties can be viewed in their respective tabs. Should an 8823 be required, it can be created and viewed right from the inspection record. The ProLink HFA software suite offers an end-to-end multifamily HFA compliance system that supports multiple program types, automatically transfers key property data from the tax credit and lending groups, provides an electronic portal for tenant event and file review compliance audits, and supports a wide variety of inspection types. We would love to share more with you and learn more about your HFA's compliance process. For a personal demonstration or to learn more, click Schedule Demonstration and provide your contact information at the end of this video, and we will be in touch. Thanks for watching.